Lhasa, the capital of Tibet, stands out as a truly unique travel destination, renowned for its rich cultural heritage and breathtaking landscapes. For foreign visitors, traveling to Lhasa requires careful planning due to updated regulations. Independent travel is not permitted. All international travelers must book guided tours through registered Tibetan travel agencies and be accompanied by a licensed local guide throughout their stay. Essential permits, such as the Tibet Entry Permit and, for certain areas, the Alien Travel Permit or Military Permit, are required and can take over a week to process. These measures are designed to ensure both visitor safety and the preservation of local traditions. Planning ahead is crucial to meet these requirements and enjoy a smooth journey in Lhasa. Traveling in Lhasa offers a blend of modern convenience and rich cultural experiences. The city is easily accessible via the Lhasa Airport Expressway, which provides a smooth connection to Gonggar Airport and the Lhasa Railway Station, a major hub linking Lhasa to other regions of China. Current weather conditions are typically cool and cloudy, with temperatures around 53 degrees F, so packing appropriately is recommended. One of the most popular activities among visitors is dressing in traditional Tibetan attire for memorable photo shoots, allowing travelers to immerse themselves in local culture. It's important to respect local customs, especially when visiting religious sites, and to be mindful of cultural etiquette. Participating in environmental initiatives such as the Mountain Greening Project not only enhances the travel experience, but also contributes positively to the region. By embracing both the modern and traditional aspects of Lhasa, visitors can enjoy a truly meaningful journey.